Members of the family. Number 1. This is Lou. He's Jim and Jenny's cousin. Number 2. This is Grandpa Friendly. He's sitting behind his granddaughter. Number 3. This is Aunt Julia. She's holding her baby daughter. Number 4. These are Jim and Jenny. They're sitting in front of their grandparents. Number 5. This is Grandma Friendly. She's sitting behind her grandson. Number 6. This is Grandma Friendly. She's sitting in front of her son. Number 7. This is Uncle Jack. He's standing behind his baby daughter. Number 8. This is Aunt Julia. She's sitting between her parents.